Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
We actually spent a whole day going through all the similarities of the athletes. In there you find that the inner strength is focused on mental health, physical health and emotional health. And these three unifying factors are what brings most athletes together. Now all three of us on the dais here have invested our lives to bettering the quality of life of the community.
The number of percentage of women who are getting into sports and triathlon has been extremely increasing year on year. We get 12 to 15% of the participants are going to be women, but we have Army, Navy, Coast Guard, dignitaries, IAS officers, everybody taking part. We have 100 plus people from service personnel taking part in this year's race. We are also in the midst with respect to Leander Pace joining hands with us, launching a campaign called Iron Grit. Now, this campaign is about sharing the inspirational stories of every one of the 1,000 plus participants who participate in this year's race and also the past participants.
It's actually even more sort of a milestone for us because it's the third year that we're associated with this race and the sport only grows year on year. We're also extremely thrilled that not only this year, we're also going to be extending our association with the Ironman in 2025 also. Having said that, from our Herbalife organization perspective, sports and nutrition has been part of